Hi Chiku. Um, I do not have much to share today. I have a lot of stuff, but I'll come back to it later. But for today, I'm just leaving you with this cute little pillow fight with your papa that happened a few days back. Okay?
This is my pillow. No. Oh, this is my pillow. No. Give me. Please, please. I'll take. Oh, my pillow. Papa take that. Papa is here. Yeah. And this one? Papa pillow. This one? Mama pillow. This one? Papa pillow. This one? Jiku pillow. Jiku pillow. I'll take Jiku pillow. No. One day? Little. I'll take little. Little pillow I'll take. I'll take little pillow. No. This is your pillow? Your pillow. Oh. This is my pillow.
So we are making chicken soup with vegetables today. I'm adding this chopped spinach, some onions, raw papaya, some tomatoes, some mushrooms. I have used button mushrooms here. You can use any mushroom you want. Some chopped beans. Everything should be roughly chopped. Some potatoes, carrots, and some hearty garlic, a lot of garlic. Okay, and some peas, green peas, and the chicken. Finally, bony chicken I have used, and salt, whole garam masala, cinnamon, cardamom, and black pepper, lot of water, and a sprinkle of turmeric powder on top. Just close the whistle and just close the lid and go for 2 to 3 whistles. Here it is done. Whistles are done and it looks ready, but it is not, I assure you. We'll add some extra water and we'll just give it a boil. I'm trying to mash a little vegetables so that it becomes a little thick. And it is done now. It's almost done. We'll serve it with a sprinkle of pepper powder on top. Here we go. Pepper powder. Some more chicken. Ready. Pepper powder. And it's done.